Come test drive the 2020 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Come see the car for yourself.